Hey everybody, this is Frederick Ball. I'm your professor for Reading 158 online this semester. And I wanted to introduce myself and introduce you to the class and to Canvas if you're not familiar with it. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to the college homepage, which is right here. And you'll go to MySWC. And they're going to ask you to log in. And when you've logged in, it'll take you to Canvas. And what it'll do is, there's a few different things here, but you're going to be looking here for your classes. There's some welcome information, and our class is right here. And I'm going to switch to student view, so you'll see, so I can show you what you'll be seeing specifically. And what you'll want to do is you'll want to take some time, go through the tabs here, and see what's here. We're going to look at the syllabus in just a second, but the modules are where all the work is, and we'll get to that in just a second. So there are the module links here, and then on the left-hand side, I will give you links to the modules every week when I remind you of what we're doing, or if I email you any questions or concerns. So let me just go to the orientation, and there's a welcome to the course. And I'm just going to jump ahead. And the syllabus is next, but I'm going to come back to that in just a second. Because for the first day, what you're going to do in the modules is you're going to go through these links on online learning. Are you ready for online learning? Read through this. The next one's going to be on time commitment. Is your computer or device ready for the demands of Canvas? Getting to know Canvas, there's an overview video. If you need help, there's information there as well. You can upload a photo, which is nice so people know who we're talking to, because there's a lot of discussion in the class. And you will want to update your notification preferences so when I post an announcement, you are notified of it. Or when I've graded something or left you a comment, you are notified of it. So that way you can stay on top of the coursework. Different resources here to help you. You can always contact me with any questions or concerns. If there's a question that applies to everybody in the class, there's this link here. If you have Canvas issues, there's a couple different places to contact. I can't help you necessarily with Canvas problems, like if it's not letting you do something sometimes. You would email me if you're not seeing something on Canvas, or you're trying to upload something and it won't let you, or something just doesn't seem right. You're not seeing something. Those are me questions. General Canvas questions would be here. And then there's other resource informations here for you as well, like the Academic Success Center, the library, the online writing lab, and so on. I do have a section here, I just mentioned it, the Q&A discussion. If you have a question that would apply to everybody in class, you can leave it here, and I'll respond to you. If it gives you the option, click on subscribe so you can follow the questions as well. And that's the first day.
Sorry, I don't know that.
And there's my Alexa who talks to herself. The first assignment that you're going to have, how funny that just said that. The first assignment that you're going to have is due on Monday the 28th, and it's an icebreaker, which means you're going to introduce yourself to the class. So you're going to tell me about yourself, your interests, your hobbies, whatever. And then what you're going to do then is you're going to skip a line, and you're going to go look at these handouts that I just went over, getting to know Canvas, are you ready for on-learning, and tell me what you thought was the most surprising or interesting or significant mention in those readings. And then, do you think you're going to have any problems? Like, for example, not that this is going to be an issue with you, but time management seems to be a problem with most online students. The beauty of the class is you don't have to come to campus, and you can do the work in your own time, but there are deadlines. I think all the deadlines for this class are on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and we'll talk more about that in a minute. But what that means is that most work is done on a Tuesday or Thursday by 12 midnight. And you may say to yourself, well, I work on Tuesdays and Thursdays till 11:30. You do the work ahead of time. So you'll fall into this rhythm of always having something due on Tuesday and Thursday. So that could be one challenge for some people. Who knows? When you're done, then what you'll do, because you'll get started here by clicking on reply, when you've posted your response, then you'll wait for your classmates to post their introductions, and then you'll answer them as well. And that's your first assignment. There'll be a lot of discussions this semester, so you will get to know each other. And then the next assignment is there's a quick video I want you to watch and comment on, and I think that might be the end of week 1. Okay, so this is the next week. So I think you get the point on that. So I got to that. Those assignments, you can go either from here with the due dates and the times, or you can go here into the modules, or you can go here into the modules. I'm going to go into this one first. So this is week 1, this is week 2, this is week 3, and so on. What you'll see, it's a lot of you read and you respond. You read and you do an assignment called a rhetorical précis. The directions are there, but it's like an analytical summary. There will be videos to watch. There will be a film to watch. And I should use this time to go into the syllabus and tell you that there are no books to buy for the class, which is good. Yay. All the readings are online for you, and you can go through all this fun stuff on your own. The only thing that you may have to spend a couple bucks on, or you may not, is we're going to be watching this documentary called The True Cost. And there's my ring. It is on Netflix, and it is, if you have Netflix, it's free-ish. If you don't have Netflix, you can get a 30-day trial for free. You can spend a couple bucks and rent it on Amazon or iTunes. If some of you are crafty online, you might be able to find a free version. If so, let me know. But this is the only thing that you might have to spend any money on, and that's like maybe $2 or $3 for the rental. So all the readings for you will be online. So that's good. Woo-hoo. All right. So speaking of no textbooks and what we're going to be doing, let me scroll down just a little bit. There's a couple places to contact me. You can contact me through here. You can contact me through here. And you can contact me through the homepage. I do talk about how your grade is made up. I don't take late work. It's just too messy. It's too confusing. The deadlines are there for a reason. No late work of any kind will be accepted unless you have proof of a medical emergency or military service. If that's your case, let me know and provide proof that that's why you were not able to do your work. But what I will do, I'm not totally heartless, is I will drop 2 assignments. One of the rhetorical précis, which are the analytical summaries, and one of your discussion boards. So that gives you a little help. Plus, there's an extra credit discussion board and a précis, so that kind of balances out. I will let you look through the rest of that on your own. Gosh, that might have been it. So, your first assignment. Oh, here's me. Here's the other way how to contact me. I'm not sure what my office hours are going to be yet. I am on campus Monday through Thursday. And I will let you know what my office hours will be. But you can always email me. That's the fastest way to reach me. But my information is there. And your first assignment is going to be right here in week 1, module 1. And I think that's about it for now. I don't want to overwhelm you with too much stuff. But welcome to the class. Let me know if you have any questions, and we will talk again. Thanks.